Welcome to another example on velocity time graph. And the question says, an object starts from rest and reaches 10 meters per second in 5 seconds. So meaning it is reaching the velocity of 10 meters per second in 5 seconds. It then moves with this speed for 3 seconds and comes to rest in 2 seconds. Question, find its average velocity. So this is the question that we're going to consider in this video. So we're going to find the average velocity of an object. So it is starting from this point, which is 0, attaining this velocity in 5 seconds, and then moves for 3 seconds with the same this one. So meaning it is maintaining the speed or the velocity, constant velocity, and then decelerating in 2 seconds. That is coming to rest. Now the question says we find the average velocity. We know that average velocity is equal to total distance over total time. The total time given is 10. So for the whole journey from 0, 5, 8, 10. So T total is equal to 10 seconds. So we do not even need to labor much to find the time because it is already given as total time. Then the total distance, so D total. So this one we do not know, but we've been given the information that is sufficient for us to find the total distance. So from here we have the first shape, which is a triangle, and then we have the second shape, which is a rectangle, and the last one is a triangle. So if we find the area of this, that will be the total distance. But there is an easy way of working out this. Here, the shape that we have is a trapezium, and we know that distance is equal to area under the shape of the graph. So the graph, what we're going to use is we're going to use the trapezium, and area for trapezium is half a plus b, then h. And from this, our a is from this point to this point, which is 5 to 8. So 8 minus 5, which will give us 3. So 3 plus, then our b, as we did from the previous video, it is from 0 to 10. And so this is just 10. Then times the height is from 0 to 10 or so, from this point to this point, or from this point to this point. So 10. So this one, what I'm going to have when we work it out, we're going to have, this is half times 13 times 10. So this will give us 65 meters squared. That is the units for area. But since we're looking for distance, and we know that distance is equal to area under the shape, the units for distance, so distance will be equal to, distance will be equal to 65 meters. 65 meters. So this one, we shouldn't be confused by this. So it is the units for distance is meters, the units for length. So average velocity is equal to total distance, so d total over t total, which is 65 meters over 10 seconds, which will give us, so 10 into 65, we're going to have 6.5 meters per second. So this is the average velocity.